Cancer is one of the greatest health challenges, especially for those over 65. As we age, our body's natural defense mechanisms can slow down, making us more vulnerable to chronic illnesses, including cancer. But what if I told you that something as simple as seeds, yes, tiny, humble seeds, could play a powerful role in helping fight cancer naturally? Today, we'll uncover 7 amazing seeds that seniors should incorporate into their daily diet to help protect themselves from cancer, while also supporting overall health. Let's dive into this journey of natural wellness, seed by seed. 1. Flax seeds, nature's lignans powerhouse. Flax seeds may be tiny, but they pack a serious punch. These seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, plant compounds with remarkable antioxidant and anti-estrogenic properties. Lignans can block hormone-related cancers like breast, ovarian, and prostate cancers by reducing excess estrogen in the body. Seniors, especially women post-menopause, can greatly benefit from this natural support. Flax seeds are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, known to reduce inflammation, a key driver of cancer development. Chronic inflammation damages healthy cells and creates an environment where cancer cells can thrive. Flax seeds' high fiber content additionally promotes gut health, which is essential for a strong immune system. Pro tip: use ground flax seeds instead of whole, as they're easier to digest and release more nutrients. Add a spoonful to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or even baked goods for a daily cancer-fighting boost. 2. Chia seeds, fiber-rich, omega-3, packed cancer fighter. Chia seeds are a true superfood. These tiny black seeds are brimming with dietary fiber, which helps keep your digestive system healthy and reduces the risk of colorectal cancer. Fiber supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria, improves bowel regularity, and helps remove potential carcinogens from the body. What's more, chia seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Studies suggest that ALA can help inhibit tumor growth and reduce inflammation. Chia seeds also contain powerful antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of cancer. Pro tip: soak chia seeds in water overnight to make a delicious pudding or add them directly into yogurt, smoothies, or soups. 3. Pumpkin seeds, zinc and phytosterols for protection. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, are rich in zinc, a mineral crucial for a robust immune system, which plays a key role in identifying and destroying cancer cells. Seniors often face declining zinc levels with age, so adding pumpkin seeds can be a natural way to boost immunity. They also contain phytosterols, plant compounds that may reduce cancer risk by lowering cholesterol and inhibiting tumor growth. High levels of cholesterol are associated with certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of magnesium, an essential mineral that supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including DNA repair and energy metabolism. Pro tip: enjoy pumpkin seeds roasted with a sprinkle of sea salt as a snack, or sprinkle them on salads, soups, or homemade granola. 4. Sunflower seeds, selenium-packed cancer shield. Sunflower seeds offer a double dose of selenium and vitamin E, both powerful antioxidants. Selenium is essential for DNA repair and has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including lung, prostate, and colorectal cancers. It enhances the body's antioxidant defense system, helping neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative stress and cellular damage. Vitamin E in sunflower seeds works synergistically with selenium, protecting cell membranes and preventing oxidative damage. This is particularly important for seniors, as oxidative stress tends to increase with age. Pro tip: add raw or lightly toasted sunflower seeds to salads, yogurt, or breakfast cereals. They're also perfect as a portable, healthy snack. Sesame seeds, phytochemicals, and bone support. Sesame seeds are a rich source of sesamin and sesamolin, lignans with powerful anti-cancer properties. These compounds have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to cancer development. Additionally, sesame seeds provide calcium and magnesium, essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing fractures, a concern for seniors. Sesame seeds may also support liver health by promoting detoxification, helping the body eliminate carcinogens more efficiently. Their polyphenols and antioxidants further support immune function and cellular health. Pro tip: sprinkle sesame seeds on salads, stir-fries, or noodles, or use tahini, sesame seed paste, as a dip or spread. 6. Hemp seeds, complete protein, and gamma-linolenic acid. Hemp seeds are a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, needed for tissue repair and immune system support. Their perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, including gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, has shown promising results in reducing inflammation and slowing cancer cell proliferation. Hemp seeds also contain vitamin E, iron, magnesium, and zinc, nutrients crucial for seniors to maintain muscle mass, energy levels, and immune defenses. Plus, their mild, nutty flavor makes them a versatile addition to many dishes. Pro tip: blend hemp seeds into smoothies, sprinkle them over salads or cereals, or incorporate them into energy bites. 7. Pomegranate seeds, polyphenol-rich natural defense. Pomegranate seeds, also called arils, are a true jewel in the world of cancer-fighting foods. They're rich in polyphenols such as ellagic acid and punicalagin, both of which have demonstrated anti-cancer effects by slowing cancer cell growth and promoting apoptosis, programmed cell death. These antioxidants also protect DNA from damage and reduce inflammation. Pomegranate seeds are also a good source of vitamin C, supporting immune health and enhancing iron absorption. Their natural sweetness makes them a delightful addition to any meal, while their bioactive compounds work silently to keep cancer at bay. Pro tip: enjoy pomegranate seeds on their own, in fruit salads, or as a topping for desserts or yogurt. Final thoughts. Seeds of hope for seniors. Seniors, cancer is a formidable opponent, but nature has given us these 7 powerful seeds as allies in the fight. By incorporating flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, and pomegranate seeds into your daily routine, you're not just adding flavor and nutrition, you're building a natural defense system that supports your immune health, reduces inflammation, and helps protect against cancer. Remember, the key is consistency. Start with small changes. Add a spoonful of ground flax seeds to your oatmeal, sprinkle chia seeds into your yogurt, snack on pumpkin seeds, or enjoy a handful of pomegranate seeds. Over time, these simple habits can make a profound difference in your health. Nature's tiny warriors are waiting to help you, one seed at a time.